So in this tutorial we will see how we can open two PlanSwift at a same time. So if you can see, I have this PlanSwift right over, and that this is my second PlanSwift. So if I am working on this PlanSwift, or if I have to do something on my some another files, or I have to view some documents or files, I can open second PlanSwift. So you can use it for various purposes. So how we can do it? So basically you have to just go to settings. From here just go to settings, from settings go to advanced. From here you can choose how many plan swifts you want to open. So if we choose 2, 3, 4, whatever the number you want. So if we choose 3 here, we can open 3 copies of a plan swift at a same time. After applying 3, you have to just go to just close the app, just close the plan swift and restart it. So you will be able to open two plan swifts at same time. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe if you like our content.